So this is the ZARRAH kit, and it's basically one of the best kits around. Now, I didn't do a video on it earlier because I didn't know how good it was because of how glitched it was. So today, I'm gonna be checking it out and seeing if it's really good or not. Alright, got this guy here. Criminal Kitty, what should we do about this?
Kill him now.
It's a good point, Criminal Kitty. Let's get him! They misplaced their TNT, too. Alright, thanks for the advice, Criminal Kitty. Okay. Dude, if you just walked, you would have been there by now. Like, you didn't really have to wait that long. Oh, and he doesn't even get the iron. He just dropped into the void. What is this dude's game plan? I took your iron. Ooh, that's it, buddy.
Alright.
Get out! Alright, well that's one person down, 5 more to go. Yeah, guys, like and subscribe, hype the video, because that's a thing they added like 5 minutes ago. Alright, bye yellow. So we can basically launch ourselves like that. I didn't really explain anything. I just kind of went in murdering everybody, because that's what we do here. We do this on the daily. Apparently melee hits on marked people resets the cooldown, so let's test that out.
Hi, Evelyn.
Or this is how you mark people. Hi.
Hi.
Please! No! Bye. Can I test something on you? I got launched. Are my kit skins back to normal? So skinny now. I don't like that. Please. It does 25 damage, that's useless! Or, it didn't even mark them! What? What? There, got it. Yo, that's sick! Alright, that's fun. Wait, what the flip? I didn't even know it did that. I thought it was just a silly sword, silly goober sword. I should have added that in the kit review that I forgot. Boom! Kaboom! 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 And gone! Lame kit, man. Kaboom! Kaboom! Marked again. Oh my god, that's fun. Wait. Holy, that's cool. I didn't even know it did that. Oh, bye. Oh, this is just our little silly guy. Silly goober guy. I saw the JC video. I didn't. I'll watch JC. He's a little stinky daddy. I need to get his bed. We can escape. Why does it launch? It launched me like 4 inches. Boom. Kaboom. Kaboom. Die, kiddo. Oh, that's so fun. Wait, what? Kaboom. Oh, they're marked. That's cool. Alright, dude, that was just like a free 1,000,000 iron. They went the wrong way! Dude, that's not chill. What did they do? No! Get out of here! Get out of here, dude! Oh my god! No! Get away! You little brat! Little fart! Get away! Little fart, I'm out. Bye. Why is everyone here? Chill! Get away! Get away! You're lucky I'm recording this. Is it over for me? Is it over for me? Chill out! Oh, dude, this is fun, Loki. Alright, I forgot he wasn't a hacker and couldn't just teleport into me. I thought it was about like teleport around the wall. I'm so dumb. Well, now he wants to build a bed. Now he wants to build a bed. Boom! Kaboom! Okay, I died. Okay, bye. You didn't even get to my bed. Sleep. You go to sleep. You go to sleep, little baby. I'm a little bit threatened by you, so I'm just gonna like walk by. Hey, yo, I was being nice. I was being nice. No, get out of here. I literally do 27 damage. It's like the same amount of damage as a stone sword. Actually, less than a stone sword. Man, get out of here, dude. It's mine.
You need to kill White Key when you are so close.
I don't want to kill them, like my friend though. Should I just like be happy?
Kill them now.
Hi, bro. We can TP together. What's up, dude?
I told you.
Ow! What is your problem, dude? I'm your friend. Alright, guys, that is the new ZARRAH kit. It is a good kit. Everybody like and subscribe. Press that one button.